If you do a lot of ironing, getting a top-quality ironing board that is tall enough can keep your back from hurting. The best ironing boards are user-friendly and offer features to make it easier to keep your clothing, linens, and other fabrics wrinkle-free and ready for use. 1. Brabantia Size C Ironing Board. This reliable ironing board has all of the features that make it a top choice: a removable cover, multiple pattern options, and a padded surface. But the extra-large iron rest is what really sets it apart and makes it a great choice for any project or need. It has a lock so that you can adjust the height and keep it in place, which protects small children or pets that may be nearby. The height can be between 29.5 and 38.6 inches. It also comes with a 10-year warranty, which is unusual for an item like an ironing board. 2. Bartonelli Rorets Ironing Board. It's also relatively sturdy for a small ironing board, with non-skid metal legs that provide rigidity. You'd have to work a bit to really make it not stand still when you're using it. The legs also have protective feet, so they won't scratch your floors. The ironing board cover is made of 100% cotton and is padded with extra foam to create a suitable surface for pressing your clothes. Beyond the small size of the Bartonelli board, it also has a hook on the end, similar to the top of a clothes hanger, that makes it easy to store in your closet on the rod or a hook on the back of a door. 3. Amazon Basics Full-Size Ironing Board. You don't need to spend a lot to have a quality ironing board. This Amazon Basics pick has a simple yet reliable design at an affordable price. The 4-leg frame is foldable and compact enough to slide under a bed or store in your closet, and while it doesn't have storage for linens, there is an iron rack at the end of the board. The cover on this board is removable and machine washable, making it easy to maintain and keep clean. And although the maximum height is 3 feet, it can adjust to 10 height positions for added flexibility. 4. Honey Can-Do Over-the-Door Compact Folding Ironing Board. An over-the-door ironing board may be the right fit for those who are tight on space. Similarly, it could also be a suitable option for those who don't want the hassle of folding and unfolding a standard board every time they need it. The Honey Can-Do Over-the-Door Compact Folding Ironing Board is designed to hang over standard-size doors. When not in use, the board folds up against the back of the door, locking in place to prevent accidental injuries. The bumpers along the frame help protect the door against scratches and scrapes. When you're ready to work, the board pulls down, offering a 41-inch by 14-inch surface for ironing clothes and other fabrics. It features a 7 mm foam pad and a 100% cotton cover. 5. Minky Homecare Ironing Board. This ironing board has 2 iron rests. Perfect if you have a standard iron and a steam iron for specific use. The shelf can also support the steam unit on larger steam irons. It's also good if you use a separate iron for crafts or with starch. The iron rest itself is designed with an ergonomic position that eases stress and strain on your back as you work. If you iron a lot, that can make the chore much more comfortable. The ironing surface isn't huge, but it is large enough for most household uses. Pressing very large items, such as heavy curtains, may be difficult, because there isn't a lot of space and the frame is not made to support these kinds of items. The cover is made of a special material that helps distribute the heat evenly to get wrinkles out faster. Just know that it isn't removable or washable.